Hello dear students, let's start a new topic, deliquescence. Deliquescence term from chapter 3 of class 10th in subject chemistry. Now come on the page number 54. Deliquescence. Deliquescence terms is completely opposite to the fluorescence term. Now come on the definitions. The phenomenon in which a water molecule, a water soluble substance on exposure to atmosphere at ordinary temperature absorb moisture from the atmosphere, become moist and finally dissolve in the absorbed moisture to form a saturated solution is called deliquescence, and such a substance is referred to as deliquescent substance. So some water soluble salts, when exposed on the atmosphere at ordinary temperature, then that water soluble substance absorbs the moisture from the atmosphere and the salt become moist and finally dissolve in the absorbed moisture and form a saturated solution. That properties or that phenomenon of water soluble salt is called deliquescence phenomena, and that substance or that salt is referred to as deliquescence substance. Here is some example of the deliquescent substance. Caustic soda NaOH, caustic potash KOH, magnesium chloride, zinc chloride, ferric chloride, calcium chloride, etc. These are the deliquescent substance. Now, one point here noted is that table salt NaCl turns moistly and ultimately form a solution on exposure to air. When a table salt kept in a pot and exposed to the air, then it form a solution. But the pure sodium chloride is not deliquescent. But why they form a solutions and absorb the moisture from the solution? Because in a table salt, the magnesium chloride present as impurities, and magnesium chloride magnesium chloride is a deliquescent substance, and they absorb moisture from the atmosphere and make the table salt moist. So table salt become moist, but not due to the NaCl, but due to the presence of MgCl2 magnesium chloride. Now one term here is hygroscopic substance. Certain substances absorb moisture from the atmosphere but do not dissolve in the absorbed moisture. Such substances are called hygroscopic substance. So there is a difference between deliquescence and substance and hygroscopic substance. In deliquescent substance, the substance absorb moisture and become a saturated solution, but hygroscopic substance absorb the moisture from the atmosphere but do not dissolve in the absorbed moisture, do not form the saturated solution. Here are some examples of the hygroscopic substances are sulfuric acid, phosphorus, pentoxide, quicklime, silica gels. These all are the hygroscopic substance. So here is the difference between deliquescent substance and hygroscopic substance. Deliquescent substance, they absorb water and dissolve in it to form a solution, but hygroscopic substance, they absorb water and become wet but do not change state, do not form a solution. Deliquescent substance, they are generally hydrated salt, but the hygroscopic substance, they are generally anhydrous substance. So This is all about the deliquescent substance and hygroscopic substance. Okay.